Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. And today we have an NPB baseball hat. Nippon Professional League, Nippon Professional Baseball of Japan, Japanese Pro League. These are quite hard to come by. It's a foreign import, so they do not sell these in the United States. NPB caps, like at a Lids, for example. So let's take a look at what we have in today. Here we have it. The Fukuoka Softbank Hawks of the NPB. They've been around for many, many years. And quite simply, I would say there's a lot of tradition with the ball club. And you take a look at the logo, and there's a lot of tradition, it's a traditional look to it. So let's just take a look at the details around that hat, and we'll see if you like it or not. A little more information about this ball club. So the Hawks were founded in 1938, and that's pretty old. And they're 11-time Japan Series champions. There's a lot of rich history behind this club. There's the back of the cap, and it has Fukuoka right there. See, this is a wool cap. We're working with a 7 3/8. So what do you think of this ball cap? It's fitted. Another note, for NPB caps, New Era is not there. You see New Era is the official for MLB official merchandise holder. New Era is not for Japan. I believe there's one or two teams that associate themselves with New Era. The rest have different companies, either Majestic or 47 brand. There's a few others that do the merchandising for the NPB League. But New Era is not top-notch in Japan. They're not the top of the mountain. So that's just a side note. But New Era did produce a limited run of most of the teams in the NPB cap. But they are not the big-time supplier. So there's not going to be many out there. Only, I believe like a team store or a small Japanese boutique will carry it online. So that's a side note, and that's probably why you don't see a lot of New Era Japan hats, because they just don't make many. It's that simple. Classic never dies, and that's what you get here. Classic looking hat, looks nice. So thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, subscribe. If you want to subscribe, and you want to subscribe for more videos like this. More NPB caps to come. More foreign import hats to come. We got it here. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a very nice day. See you later.